Welcome to Cars Trends, your ultimate destination for the latest news, reviews, and updates on the world of automobiles. Today, we're thrilled to bring you an in-depth look at the iconic BMW. Introduction. BMW is a renowned German luxury automobile manufacturer that has been producing high-performance vehicles for over a century. With its sleek designs, advanced technologies, and exceptional performance, BMW has become a symbol of luxury and sophistication in the automotive world. Design and features. BMW vehicles boast stunning designs that combine sleek lines, aggressive curves, and futuristic aesthetics. The car's bodies are crafted from advanced materials, including lightweight alloys and carbon fiber, which provide exceptional strength-to-weight ratio. BMW features a range of innovative features, including premium audio systems with advanced sound technologies, navigation systems with high-resolution display screens, heated and ventilated seats with massage functions, advanced safety features, including autonomous emergency braking, blind spot detection, and lane departure warning. Powertrain and performance. BMW vehicles are powered by a range of advanced engines, including inline-4 and inline-6 gasoline engines, V8 and V12 gasoline engines, diesel engines. BMW vehicles are known for their exceptional performance, with many models featuring advanced technologies like turbocharging, direct injection, and variable valve timing. Luxury and comfort. BMW vehicles are luxurious and comfortable, featuring premium materials like leather, wood, and metal. The seats are upholstered in fine leather and feature intricate stitching, adding a touch of luxury and sophistication. Technology and innovation. BMW is a leader in automotive innovation, featuring advanced technologies like advanced driver assistance systems, infotainment systems with high-resolution display screens, advanced safety features. Conclusion. BMW is a renowned luxury automobile manufacturer that produces high-performance vehicles with sleek designs, advanced technologies, and exceptional performance. Whether you're a car enthusiast or a luxury aficionado, BMW is a brand that's sure to impress. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more in-depth reviews, news, and updates on the latest cars, trends, and technologies in the automotive world.